This is an unboxing of a Nuu Mobile G3. It can be found at nuumobile.com or online at Amazon.
Big shout out to Nuu Mobile for this device that they've sent, the Nuu Mobile G3. This is the unboxing, and this is what you're greeted with. Nice little agenda book. Get this out of the way. So here we have it. Now I'm not for sure if you buy one from them if this comes with it or not, but pretty much all the things a cell phone can do, but whatever. So without further ado, I do apologize. I've had this phone for 2 weeks and have yet to do an unboxing video on it, so you're welcomed with out of the box. So, as you can see, very, very premium feel to this device. I mean, this is really nice. I mean, it feels really good quality. Put that down. What else comes in the box? We're going to get a startup guide. Kind of shows you where everything's at on the phone. And oh, it comes with a case, clear case. A little bit of a design to it. Comes with a USB Type-C to 3.5 millimeter headphone jack. Your wall unit here, your AC adapter. And your USB Type-C cord. It's really nice that a device that's only $200 has USB Type-C down here to charge. That's pretty neat. You don't see that a lot. And there's a SIM ejector tool. So that's pretty much what you're going to get out of the box right there. That is one shiny phone. Now, this power button here, if you can see this, it's actually a textured power button. It's pretty neat. Power this thing on. So here we have the phone. It's a very nice, beautiful display. Fingerprint magnet on the back for sure. What we have here though is your SIM card slot up top here. You've got your volume rockers as well as your textured power button. USB Type-C, which is very nice. At a budget-friendly phone would have that. Plus it also has NFC so that you can use your Google Pay, which is just unbelievable at $200 that a budget device has NFC. That's amazing.
Now, here's a Galaxy S8 Plus, and no way am I trying to compare a $200 phone to an $850 phone, other than just size comparison, showing you really where Nuu is getting its look from.
Obviously on the back they did better with putting the fingerprint right where it needs to be. But you know, I'm going to run this phone. This will be my daily driver for, I'll give it a week or two. I'll start using this to see how it works, see how good it is, and come back with a review of pros and cons. But for $200, I mean, this phone feels very good in the hand. And when you compare the two, I mean, the width, the feel, the texture, I mean, that's some pretty, it's almost like a mirrored image, you know. I think they knew what they were doing and who they were copying. We'll definitely come back to this after about a week or two and do another review on it, more than just an unboxing. So please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. I'll check you guys later.